See, I screwed it up already. All right. Hey everybody, Luxinda here. Welcome back to my Other Obsessions channel. We are in the middle of October and that is Halloween season, and I found this at Walmart. While I know a million other YouTubers have done this over the years round about this time, I've never done one before. This is a mini Halloween house chocolate cookie kit. I like the fact that it's mini. I like the fact that everything's included. Hopefully it's small enough that I can't screw it up too badly. I have opened the box just to make sure the cookie pieces were still intact, because if they weren't, I was just going to take it back to the store and get another one, but they are. So, kit includes pre-baked chocolate cookies, pre-made icing, candy jewels, candy bats, and scene setters, whatever a scene setter is. So let's take a look. It also says that if I eat this whole thing all by myself, it is 8 servings at 110 calories each. So I'll just have to pace myself. So there are our pre-made cookies. There is our pre-made icing, our jewels, and our bats. This is so cool. I am not sure what a scene setter is. Have an adult help you cut on the dotted lines. What? I don't understand. I'm confused already. A scene setter. Fold back each side of the base on the solid lines. Place the scene setter elements around your cookie house to make a Halloween scene. That's it. We get 3 little cutout monsters. All right, well, I'll worry about that after I make a mess of this. I'm going to get something to put this on. That seems like a good idea. Start by breaking apart my cookies. That'll probably be my first screw up, although they do have them well scored, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, yay, it works. Thank God. I have such confidence, don't I? Yeah, the answer would be no. I have never tried to make a gingerbread house before. I love making gingerbread cookies, but to ever try actually building something that I made out of gingerbread, no, not a chance. Okay, we have our pieces. What we are supposed to do first is take the back. Actually, I guess, which is the front? Oh, they're exactly the same. Well, that's convenient. Okay. So we take that. Oh my God. Lay out the cookie house pieces on the table. Gently break apart, blah, blah, blah. On the reverse rough side of the front and back panels of the house, ice a thick line of icing. Oh, they even give you a little piping tip. Thank God. Oh, this is going to be so funny. Hopefully you'll all get a huge kick out of this. Okay. Huh. Well, aside from the fact that the walls are way taller than the roof, so far so good. Let's just keep going and see if I can turn it into a total disaster. What did I... Oh, that's the roof! That's why it's taller. Oh, well, see, I screwed it up already. All right. It's all right. Everything's fine. We're fine. It's all fine. I did the wrong pieces, but it's okay. Nothing's carved in stone. Oh, my God. Oh, holy Moses. Okay. Now, does this go like this? Yes, that must be right. Okay. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, it's just too funny. Okay. It's all good. Everything's fine. We're all fine. Everything's fine. How is it that turning on a camera makes an adult with a relatively normally laid-back attitude and a certain level of confidence about being able to do simple things turn into a raving lunatic who can't do anything right? Don't know, but that's how it happens. So who out there does this sort of thing either now or at Christmas time? With a little gingerbread house for Christmas decorations. I really admire people who can not only do this, but make it from scratch, meaning bake the foundation as well as put it together, and to actually have them turn out so beautifully that they enter them in competitions. I mean, I've seen some, and they're just out of this world amazing. You know, last year, Ace of Clay did a gingerbread house. I think it was for Christmas. I don't think it was for Halloween. And it turned out really, really amazing, but, you know, he has very steady hands, and he's used to working with very small fiddly things, and of course it worked well. That's why he has the channel he has and I have the channel I And of course Anthony Crammen has done a couple of these, I believe. I'll link to them below. I'll link to Ace of Clay as well. Oh yeah, splendiferous. All right, well, I tell you what, that was a lot of fun. If you made one, let me know what you made. If you're going to make one for Christmas with gingerbread, tell me your plans. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you next time.